Hello everyone and welcome to Igbo Academy. My name is Chioma. Today we are going to talk about yes and no in Igbo language. Yes and no. If someone talks to you or if someone tells you something in Igbo language, how do you answer the person yes and how do you say no? So yes in Igbo language can be expressed by the following words. We have a yeah. If you want to say yes, you can say yeah. Number 2, we have the e sound, but you're going to stress it. We have iya. Ijerafia, did you go to the market? Iya. Ijerubo, did you go to the farm? Iya. Or yeah. That's for saying yes. You can use yeah, you can use you can use iya. In other dialects, there are many. They have and many others. So in other dialects, but these are some that you can use for yes. Then now we go to no. If you want to say no in the Igbo language, how do you say it? You can say mba. No is mba. When you say mba, it means no. You can say and you nod your head. Once the person see the person knows that you're saying no. Igejafia Igejafia mba. Then we have Remember, yes, we have is yes, or we have When you're saying it, you nod your head to show that you're disagreeing. So for no, you can say mba, or that is no. For yes, you can say yeah, iya, So all these ones are yes. So that is how you can say yes and no in the Igbo language. Please don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you so much.